importance ng CSR. Kasi yung CSR parang keme lang. Parang walang, hindi siya willing mag-assist dun sa customer, kaya upset yung customer. Ano sinabi mo man?
Okay, what part of the video is that?
Yung sa back,
Don't say no.
Yung don't say no. I'm not gonna help you. Ganun.
Yun na may
Okay, group number 3. 3.
Okay na.
Yung sa amin naman po, yun nga po, yung topic dun kay Nancy Friedman, yung customer service na through time nade-deteriorate yung energy level niya. Tapos yung sa ano naman, compared din sa iba na nasusustain niya yung energy level niya, dito medyo pagod na yung rep, tapos dito nasusustain si Leo yung yung agent na masaya pa rin kahit na pagod na po. Yung nasasabi niya. Gusto po si Nancy Friedman.
Okay, 4. Wag mo kong kunan. 4.
Nancy Friedman. Long chain, CSR section, customer section. The topic is rudeness. Those, she's the lampshade, the chair, the table, the chair, and the divider.
Who's the CSR?
The CSR, sir.
Who's the irate customer?
I read my...
Okay, so Jackson, rudeness.
Next, group number 1.
Third is the customers, the representatives, passive, average, and proactive. This is our imaginary keme. These are the chairs. This is the water dispenser, the halaman, the manager. So, if we can see the reaction to their faces. Again, passive, average, and proactive.
Ano ba yan?
Ooh, Nancy
Kasi Nancy Friedman, ikaw rin, ba?
Okay.
Okay, great.
Okay, ang ano sa akin dito.